Well done. We're going to do a walkthrough of the June 2025 paper 2H question 22. It's a grade 9 question. Ideally, you should be having a look at this question before you look at my walkthrough so you can process, see what you've done differently, what is better about mine, what is better about yours. And then after you've done mine and seen me walk through mine, there's another one which you should pause and attempt to do for yourself. And then I'll walk you through it so you can check. And then afterwards, you can pop onto my website for another 2 questions to extend your skills further. Right. So the equation of a circle is that. So as soon as I see the equation of the circle, the first thing I want to write down is the radius, because the radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. I just do that automatically in my head. So what is it saying? The circle is translated, so it's moved by the vector 0, -2. So x isn't changing, but y is by -2. Sketch the circle. Right, so what? Right, so the circle of that centre will have gone through 0, 0. Right? You know why that would have gone through 0, 0, because it's just x squared plus y squared. Okay? So if it's gone... The x's haven't moved, but the y has. So the centre is now 0, -2, because I've taken the 2 off. Where did it cross the y-axis? Where did it cross the y-axis? It crossed the y-axis at x is 0. At x is 0. And y is 5, and x is 0, y is -5. So we need to take 2 of that off. So new y axis, take the 2, 0, 3, 0, -7. So we know we need to draw a circle. I'm not going to do it up there. I'm just going to draw another axis. The centre is the centre is here at 0, -2. And it crosses the y-axis at 0, 3, and 0, -7. So it should look something like that. I would ideally, in my exam, use a compass. Right, have a go. Right. So, first of all, what did I write down? I wrote down the radius of the circle. How do you find the radius of the circle? Radius, square root of 36, which equals 6. Right, so the centre, again, is at 0, 0. So it has moved 3 up. So the new centre is at 0, 3. Right? Now, where did it cross the y-axis? Well, that was when x is 0, y is 6 in this question. What's the other one? Correct, -6. What do we need to do with the 3? We need to add the 3, so it crosses at 0, 9, 0, -3. That's y-axis for our grid. The centre is at 0, 3. It's going through 0, 9, 0, -3. And there we are. Brilliant. Well done. Now remember, hit subscribe. More subscriptions, more likely I am to continue doing grade 9 only videos. I don't want to have to move away from that. And then pop onto my grade9mathstutor.com to have a look at some other questions that are similar to this when you find this question. Well done. Thank you.